2019 Hyundai Tucson. Excuse me if I didn't pronounce it correctly, it's a tongue twister. Tucson. I guess like the bird. Anyway, has some body damage. Appears the vehicle rolled over or laid on its left side. I don't see any signs of roof damage. A little bit here on the A-pillar. Mirror's broken. Fender's damaged. Hood is damaged. Right fender. There's some scuff marks on the headlights. You also have some damage on the right side doors. Some damage on the A-pillar here. Some damage on the right rear quarter as well. A lot of the panels could be saved. Some body work. Let's take a look inside. Looks like the curtain airbag's deployed. Good forward bags. The unit does start and drive. You also have a seat airbag that's deployed.